Hello children, welcome back. So, in today's class, we are going to see about vertebrates. So, these vertebrates are animals that have a vertebral column. They have backbone. Okay, va? So, iniki your friend Ria is going to explain all about vertebrates. These vertebrates are classified into 5 groups: birds, mammals, fishes, amphibians and reptiles. So vertebrates are 5 classes of பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. என்னென்ன இன்னொரு டைம் பார்க்கலாமா? mammals, birds, fishes, amphibians and reptiles. Okay, first group that we are going to see is about mammals: dogs, horses, whales, bat. Wondering what are all these? Yes, they are mammals. So mammals na enna, they basically give birth to young ones. They don't lay eggs. They feed their mother's milk until they grow strong. Okay, va? They have teeth to chew their food and eat. And also they breathe through lungs. அது எதனால மூச்சு விட முடியும்? With the help of they breathe through lungs. And also they have their body covered with hair or fur. They have 4 limbs. முன்னாடி 2 கால், பின்னாடி 2 கால். So we call it as 4 limb. முன்னாடி இருக்கிறது 4 limb and backல இருக்கிறது hind limbs. Okay, and we humans are also mammals, right? We have upper limb and lower limb. 2 கை 2 கால். Okay, these mammals live on land, in water and also on trees as well. Okay, so next we are going to see about another group of vertebrate called birds. Birds are one of the prettiest living thing. There are many types of birds: ostrich, penguin. So these are all birds. Birds reproduce through eggs, so out of which the young ones hatch. They have 2 legs and 2 wings, and their body is covered with feathers. There are birds like ostrich and penguin. Even though they have feathers, அதனால என்ன பண்ண முடியல? They are not able to fly. Usually, bird skeleton is very light. Their bones are hollow and they breathe through lungs. Okay? Birds, they don't have teeth to chew their food. Instead, they swallow their food as whole with the help of their beak. So next class we are going to see is about, any guesses? Yes, we are going to see about fishes. There are many types of fishes. Let's see about the characteristic features of fishes. Fish are animals that live in water. They lay eggs. They also lay eggs and they breathe through gills. They also breathe through gills. Their body is covered with scales. They have flat thin plates called scales which protect their bodies. Gills absorb oxygen from the water and give out carbon dioxide. Fishes swim in water using their part of skeleton known as fins. They use fins to swim. So next we are going to see about amphibians. Amphibians are animals that live both on land and water. So amphina both, beans na lives, 2 lives. Amphibians such as frogs, they lay eggs in water. The young ones of the frog are called tadpoles. They are similar to fishes. They swim with the help of fins and breathe through gills. However, these tadpoles grow into adult frogs and breathe through lungs, and they breathe through their moist slimy skin under the water. Okay, after attaining the adult stage. So this change of form from a tadpole to a adult frog ஒரு series of changes நடக்குது இல்லையா, we call this as metamorphosis. Okay, this frog has frontல 2 limb, 4 limb, and backல strong hind limbs. That is all about frogs. Next we are going to see about the another group of vertebrates called reptiles. So these are all the examples of reptiles. Lay eggs on land and they hatch out from it. Their skin is very tough and scaly to protect from weather and injuries. They have 4 limbs, but snakes and all, they slither or crawl. They don't have legs. Some reptiles have a protective covering. They breathe through lungs, and mostly they live underground inside a hole or something. Most of the reptiles live in water, but they come to land to breathe. So that is all about reptiles. So we have seen all the classes of vertebrates today. Hope you all enjoyed the time with Ria. So now it's time for self-work. Complete the activity 2.9, 10 and 11 and post it in the group. Thank you. See you in the next session. Bye.